I'm currently at this Home Depot because I need to build a ramp that can load my motorcycle into the back of this car. So the idea was to have all 4 of the boards laid out side by side like this, with the door hinges alternating. That way it can sort of accordion style fold up into a much smaller package, making it being able to fit in my car. So with that being said, I enslaved 2 of my friends to do all of the work for me. Ah yes, my special guests are here. I love employing my friends for no pay. Units are... I don't see this going wrong in any way. Like, this can only go right. Oh, look at that. Absolutely cooked. Cooked like a storm. This ramp, it's perfect. We're engineers.